Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and welcome to episode 3 of the Hidden Gems series. And if you missed out on episodes 1 and 2, make sure you go back and check out those videos. I'm having fun with this. I'm not even gonna lie. I am. I'm dabbling in papers that I haven't dabbled in a while. I'm creating things I haven't created in a while. And so it's like, ooh, it's a good feeling. But anyway, so for this episode, played in the Simple Stories collection. That was a simple vintage October 31st. Now this one came out, does it say? Did I get this last year? I think I got this last year. I want to say, and I didn't have much of it left, so that means that I played it in hardcore. So I wanted to go ahead and use up some more of what I had of this collection, and it is just so fun. And you guys are really gonna like this one too, because you did take a good liking of this project. This is another one that was 2019, and y'all like this one. So let's go ahead and get to it. So we have another one from the Hump Day Handmade, and I promise you they're not all going to be from the Hump Days. They're not all going to be from that. But this is the handmade mailbox that I did. Now this one, Sandy's Planner Shop, she had sent me a photo and was like, hey, can you, she was, shopping, and she saw actual like wooden style mailbox. She was like, hey, can you remake this? I was like, girl, I got you, okay? And so that's what I did, and I originally did this in a Valentine style, and so redoing it as Halloween, I'm telling you, I have fun with this. You can tell with like the decorations and everything. And like I said, a lot of you took a liking to it back when it was the Valentine season. And so now, like, when we send out mail to people, we call it spooky mail, we call it boo mail or whatever. And so mailbox, boo mail, spooky mail, see putting it together now. All right, so that is what I did with this one. So I have my little slot here that's just for fun. You don't actually have to put anything in there because the lid does open. But I have like some little handmade envelopes here. These are dies, and I just embellished in the inside, ghosts and goblins here, added a bow to you, added some little spider web banners, added those spiders again here, added a little ghost there. Then I took one of the buttons, I added a brad, and so it actually swivels around. So that was just a fun little thing here. And then I added some cute little charms and beads on there as well. And then here is the front. The back, here's the back, and I added a ruffle trim on the back there. And then here is the front. And of course, you don't have to embellish the top portion. If you want to put this like outside your house and have people leave you cards or something, or leave you little notes, again, it's another fun little decorative thing that you can add to your decor for the Halloween season. So if if your family are ones who like to leave you little notes or whatever, or a suggestion box, this is a great way to do that. So here we have the front. I have some little layered pumpkins, another little die cut, another ghost that's being creepy in the background. Added some Monica flowers. This one was the orange one was gifted to me by Mommy and Me Crafts. Added my famous sequin thread, because I love using that on everything. And then added fright, and then I also added an envelope here, and then these little pieces actually come out of the envelope. So we have Happy Haunting. These are just cut aparts from the collection, just to add a little oomph to it. And then this one says Too Cute to Spook, with the little girl on the witch's broom. Get back in there, cooperate. There we go. And then this one just says Fright This Way, with the bats on there. So it's just a fun little thing to add into the envelope in the front of the mailbox. So you kind of get the gist, like, oh, it's a mailbox. Okay. Get in there. Why aren't we cooperating? There we go. All right. Got to put it back the way it was, so, don't lose the finesse. And then it says Fright right there. We have some little bats down here. Again, like I said, she opens up, so you have plenty of room of adding all your fun little ghouls and goblins on the inside. And if I need to remind myself, this is about 6 inches wide, and from the lowest point is 5 inches, and then from the highest point about 6 inches, maybe a little bit less than that. But you can get a lot of good goodies in here. This has 2 inches in depth, so you can get a lot of fun stuff in here. So if you are sending out spooky mail, boo mail, however you call it, whatever the cool kids are saying it these days, this is a great option as well. Like I said, I made this originally. It was in a Valentine ordeal, but creating it in the Halloween one, again, like you see, I had so much fun doing this and adding a spooky vibe to it. So just to give you guys another idea for all of your Halloween crafting. So yeah, I'm having so much fun. And if there's suggestions that you have too, as I'm going through these videos, I'm like, what do I want to do now? What do I want to pull out of the archive? If you have suggestions, I'm like, hey girl, hey Brittany, this video right here, can you redo that one in a spooky town? I'm like, I got you. So and the funny thing is, because I created the tutorials, I don't go back and watch the videos, because I have my own notes, I draw my own pictures, and I have everything on there, so I actually know what I'm doing. So so hopefully it's something I already have my notes on. Otherwise, I have to go ahead and be like, yeah, I'm following along on the video. But yeah, I really love how this turned out. This is just so spooktacular. Yes, girl, I love it. So anyways, I hope you loved it too. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Make sure you subscribe to your girl if you're not already, and go ahead and catch all those other videos. The tutorial, it will be in the description box and linked somewhere in this video for you if it hasn't popped up already. So thanks for hanging out with me this time, and I'll check you in the next one. Bye.